Oh my gosh, is that 2 lost puppies over there?
No, you don't see us until you come over here.
Oh, okay. Let's try that. Let's see, I'm just walking around. What do I see here? Is that a puppy? And another puppy? Look at these puppies, they're beautiful. Oh, that's not a very nice puppy.
I'm trying to protect my baby.
Oh, is this your baby? Okay, let me check on one thing. I'll be right back. That is your baby puppy? Oh my goodness.
You don't know it. Or actually you do.
You're not very nice, little puppy. I'm going to tickle you.
Leave us alone.
Don't you guys want to...
Leave my baby alone.
Where's your baby?
You're Mia. Actually, you're my baby. No, my baby's right behind me. Leave my baby alone. And leave my baby alone.
Is this your penguin baby?
Yeah, give it.
He's so beautiful.
It's a girl.
You guys have beautiful penguin babies, don't you?
Don't ever touch my baby.
Super cute.
Don't touch my baby.
Really? Why not?
Daddy, bring us to your home.
Okay, I think you guys should come live with me. I live right here, as a matter of fact. Look at that baby. That baby likes a heart under there. You're scared. You super scared, puppy?
It's just Mama.
Oh. What is your penguin? Do you have a penguin baby?
I don't.
You don't.
Yeah, you do. No, I don't.
Anybody want to put on princess dresses and go sing?
I do.
Put on a show?
I do.
Uh-oh. What happened?
I do,
Need some sound
Dad.
remote control. What do you think?